Guys, this is Sandy Sundars and welcome to my channel. In this video I will do quick unboxing and quick lights brightness test in this video. So this is a Philips 30-watt Tbulb, not any bulb. This is and the Tbulb and which lights spread all around the corner of your room. So this is good from Philips. This is awesome Tbulb. So stick around with me till end, and if you're new, then please consider subscribing my channel by hitting the below red subscribe button, and also tap the bell icon to get each notification from me. And also buy link is in the video description, and its retail prices from 600 to 650 is varies. So please check that out to support my channel. So without delay, let's get started. So guys, this is a beautiful blue glossy box pack. It's the Philips Tbulb image on it. This is how it looks like. This is 30 watt. It has a eye comfort. That means there is a white cover which reduces the intensity of the brightness somewhat to make your eye comfort when you directly look at him. And this is the wider, more widespread than any normal bulb. It has a full brightness. And a crystal white 6500 K color code, 30 watt, B22 its base, and 30 watt Tbulb equals to 45 watt CFL. This bulb has 3000 lumen, and this is the comparison with the normal LED with the Philips Tbulb. It has a swivel mount. It can be adjusted, and inside the box it only comes the Philips Tbulb unit. So this is how it looks like. This is the B22 holder. This is the Indian standard, and this is the adjustable like this way or like this way. Okay, and this is the Philips branding. This is the backside texture, and this is the cover for your eye comfort with reduce the somewhat bright intensity. And this is the more specification about that. It's a 220 to 240 volts and 50 hertz, made in India, of course. It's good. So that's all about the unboxing, and this is the simple, nothing to say much more about this, you know everything. So let's go to the light test and see how bright it is. Okay, this is my Philips 30 watt Tbulb and with B22 holder, and this is my existing Philips 2.5 watt LED that is glowing right now. So I will just switch it on and I'll see how much bright is this. This is my 14 foot by 13 foot room, so because this room is quite big. So now switch it on and see how bright it is. Yeah, it's on again. This is my room. Yeah. Switch off, switch on. Yeah, this light is so bright, you know, you can see that, and this is a perfect value worth product, no doubt that has. And also it has warranty. So I will try to zoom in, right, not zoom in from the close view. And this the Tbulb directly attached to the holder. It is a plug and play, totally nothing about the installation. Okay guys, so I hope you have got a conception that how bright is this. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Okay, so have a great surfing. Bye.